Have you ever wondered if you could make swallow without yam, cassava or wheat? Today I will show you exactly how to make a delicious and healthy plantain swallow. It's smooth, filling and perfect with any Nigerian soup. Let's get started. To start, we will need plantains. Now you can choose ripe, unripe or even mix both depending on your taste, okay? Unripe plantain gives you a firmer swallow, while ripe ones will make it softer and slightly sweet. I'm using the whole plantain skin and hull. Why? Because the peel contains extra flavor, antioxidants and nutrients that make your swallow healthier and more filling. It also gives it a firmer texture, so it is not too soft when you eat it with soup, okay? So just wash your plantains thoroughly, cut off the head and the tail and then set it aside. After washing thoroughly, I cut the plantain into small chunks. This is very important. When the pieces are small, your blender works faster and you get a smoother blend without lumps, okay? Big chunks can stress your blender and sometimes leave tiny pieces that won't cook so well. Next, transfer the cut plantain into a blender, okay? Add just a little water. Don't overdo it because we want the swallow to be thick. Blend until you get a smooth puree with no lumps. This step is very important because the smoother the blend, the smoother your swallow will turn out. Now pour the blended plantain into a pot. Place it on low to medium heat and start stirring immediately with a wooden spatula. At first, it looks soft and watery, but as the heat builds up, it begins to thicken. Keep stirring continuously so it doesn't form lumps, okay? In few minutes, it starts coming together, stretchy and firm, just like yam swallow or eba. Once it comes together, add a little bit of water and cover the pot and let it steam for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. This step ensures it cooks properly inside and not just outside. After steaming, stir it one last time. You will see it's smooth, stretchy and ready. One of the reasons I love plantain swallow is the health benefits. Unlike cassava or yam swallow that can feel heavy, plantain swallow is light but still filling. It's high in fiber, support digestion, give you steady energy, and the potassium in it keeps your heart and muscle healthy. It's also gluten free, which makes it a fantastic choice for people avoiding wheat. And there you have it, soft, nutritious and tasty plantain swallow. Serve it with egusi, ogbono or vegetable soup. Have you ever tried plantain swallow before? If yes, let me know your favorite soup pairing in the comments, and if not, will you give this a try? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting recipe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.